Hey guys, it's Shelby and I'm back with another video. I'm of course going to be doing a makeup look today, and as always I have no idea what makeup look I'm going to do, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right in and just go with the flow with that. I obviously have my eyebrows done already, so I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Argan Oil. I totally recommend using this if you want glowy skin. And I barely put any on. Oh my god, I put a little bit too much on. But like, I don't recommend putting a lot on because, well, also depends on if you're wanting full coverage foundation, because if you're wanting full coverage foundation, it will make your foundation probably move a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some concealer and prime my eyes because I have zero eyeshadow primer and I need to go get me some.
If y'all keep seeing me look right there, it's because my mirror is right there.
My eyeshadow just moves whenever I set my base, so today I'm just not going to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into my eyes, and I'm going to use the Aphrodite palette, and I'm going to take the shade Admire, which is like a kind of like a caramely brown, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Passion in the Aphrodite palette, and I'm just going to put that in the outer crease right here. Just deepen that up and kind of bring it up a little bit. Oh. Ow! A palette just like fell right on my foot. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Blushing, which is a really cute like blush pink, obviously, and I'm just gonna like, I don't know if it's really gonna show up, but I'm just gonna put that down right here for right now as a pink base. The shade Flirt, which is just a darker pink, if you guys can see that, and I'm just gonna apply that right on top of that just to deepen it up a little bit. The brush that I had used at first, and then I'm going to take the shade Seduction and just blend those two colors out together. So right now I am done with my eyes, so I'm going to move on and do foundation. And I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 105. And I'm going to mix the Pro Glow in the shade 206. Because I don't like such too matte of a foundation. I'm going to go on and do my under eye. I'm just going to take this shade Seduction. So I'm going to take this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. It's beat up, but I literally love this. And I'm going to use the darkest shade, and I'm going to bronze me face. I'm going to put some highlight. I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I'm just going to put it on my ring finger and just put a little bit. Okay, now I am going to put some powder highlight, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. And I don't know which one it is, but I'm just going to put that on top of that. And put it on my nose. Now I'm going to take some setting spray and set my face. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are done, so now all I have to do is just my lips, and I'm just going to add more of the Vaseline Lip Therapy, the Rosy Lips. Because here recently I've just been liking just a simple lip and nothing at all. So, and that is the final look. So thanks guys for watching. I got some gin